Thank you so much for joining the session on Microsoft Education Inclusive Classroom Tools. I'm Mika, and we're going to talk about what you see on the screen today. So there are 4 skills highlighted in a variety of Microsoft applications: reading, writing, math, and communication. Microsoft's goal with integrating the tools into their applications is to support learning processes and the non-cognitive skills students need for college and career success. So these tools that I'll discuss are available for kindergarten through college. So for those of you with children, consider how you can integrate this into their learning at home. Let's take a look at a video for a broad overview.
The true purpose of education is to create possibility.
It was a little hard for me. People laugh whenever I read sometimes.
Well, they knew how to read, and I didn't. I will never be good at reading. I will probably be held back again. It highlights the words to know where I am.
When it's reading, I see spaces between the words, and it's easy to focus on.
The first time I actually could read that book, I was proud of myself.
I was very proud of myself. Good job, Joey.
When technology and education come together, possibility becomes reality.
I want to read every book in here.
And so while this video featured tiny humans, we do want our Spartans to want to read every book in our class, right? And that's the feeling of empowerment, and it impacts everyone and their desire to learn. Let's dive into each tool. So in a nutshell, Immersive Reader can help students with literacy skills by reading to them and highlighting specific words. You'll have access to this slide deck. It's right underneath this presentation. And I want you to click on the links of each one to learn how to enable Immersive Reader in the associated app. Note that some of these tools are not geared toward higher ed, but the features I'll cover are available in most applications. When it comes to utilizing the Immersive Reader, what it does is that it reduces spatial crowding. This is really great for our neurodivergent students. It can change the background color to help reduce eye strain. It can increase or decrease text size, along with adding a reading focus box to keep students focused as they progress through the reading. So if you are going to create an ebook through OneNote, this is really going to benefit your students. You can even utilize a picture dictionary, or the reader can. And what the picture dictionary does is that it aids reading and comprehension through multisensory processing, which is the ability to see a picture and hear a word simultaneously. The translation tool helps communication with parents and second language learners in up to 60 languages, which is really amazing. The parts of speech feature helps break words into syllables and highlights the parts of speech. It even identifies which part of speech each word belongs to. We're going to move on to inclusive writing skills. Let's check out the features of each tool. So when it comes to dictation, you can use, you can use the speech to text to author content in Office with a microphone and reliable internet connection. You can use your voice to quickly create documents, emails, notes, presentations, or even slides.
Hello.
Last year, we saw a 20% increase in sales. Now, most of this is attributed to...
The bear and her cubs hungrily searched the forest for berries. Awesome!
really love this feature when I am writing notes for slide decks because you can speak it a lot faster than you can type it, which keeps up with your thinking. So try it the next time you are typing lecture notes. So Microsoft Editor helps you check your spelling and grammar, and it polishes your writing style. Yes, there's some AI integrated here, and this is one of those things that shows you how artificial intelligence can be used for good. You can use this in Word, Outlook, Gmail as well, LinkedIn, and even Google Docs. The Math Assistant allows you to write or type any math problem. So if you're typing or if you have a math problem, you can put it in OneNote and it will solve it for you. So this is not cheating, this is helping you understand the steps so that when it does come time for the assessment, you have a better understanding of how to tackle the problem. Let's take a look. The fourth one are our communication tools, and these tools allow us to break down language with live captions and real-time translation. And remember, we have up to 60 languages and is growing all the time. So this is a short one, and really I encourage you to take the time to review the product guides on the slide deck and the self-paced training that's available to us through Microsoft as well as LinkedIn Learning to learn more about these tools and how to support our students. If you want to get hands-on training with an HHS ATS, that would be myself or Tina, then remember that during our boot camp, we will have 2 options to meet with us, either virtually or in either Stone or Coleman. You'll have the opportunity to schedule an appointment with Tina for Wednesday or myself on Thursday. I hope you enjoy the rest of Renaissance 2.0. Thank you for the privilege of your time.